Hello everybody, welcome to my Crochet Nook. I'm Linda and today I'm pleased to say that I have finally finished my cocoon cardigan. I made it for the, oops, something's falling down, for the hashtag Crochet Cardigan Challenge set by Jeanette at DIY Creations, and I'll put Jeanette's link below, so please check my description box. I've got lots of information down there. And what else have I got? And yes, so I used this pattern by Signet, and I will put the link for this pattern below. I didn't use, this is kind of a granny square stitch, but I decided to use, I'll take it off, I decided to use the moss stitch, and I've done round the armhole shaping, I've done 2 double crochet rows, and then on the 3rd row I did single crochet, but around the, can you see how it curves round? So round the sleeve, instead of it pointing out like and look like I'm flying off, I've curved it by doing 2 single crochets together around the edge here, just to finish it off nicely. And I did it for this side as well, if you can see. And I did the same round here. I did 4 double crochets and then a single crochet round the end, and it just fits nice and snug just below my posterior. And it'll be really nice to wear with a nice cream turtleneck with a pair of jeans in the winter. I mean, when I'm sat in here and it gets a bit chilly, I can just pop it on. And I will have photographs at the end of this video to show you. Rick has taken photographs of me in the garden with it on, so I'll have a thumbnail at the end of this video. So that's it. And let me know if you're going to take part, or you are taking part, and what you're making. I've really enjoyed taking part in this, and you know, everything for me this year is a challenge. And I'm really enjoying, so enjoying the challenge. So I think that is all from me for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon. I do 3 videos a week, and I do a live on Wednesday, 12 noon Eastern, 5 p.m. British summertime. And I hope to see you again, and have a beautiful day. Take care, stay safe, and more importantly, be kind to yourselves. Bye for now.